Hi everyone! I used to have a huge problem managing my time, and lately I've been discovering a few practices that save me a huge amount of time and give me the extra freedom I need to be creative and focus on my art more time than I used to. If you feel like the 24 hours in a day are not enough for you the same way I used to feel, stay tuned because I'll share everything I know with you. If you've seen my previous videos, you probably know that the first tip of the day is proper planning. I love planning everything, and I think that since the day I started planning properly, I saved myself a lot of time from thinking what I should be doing and procrastinating and, wasting time on things that I shouldn't be wasting time on. If you start your day with a specific goal in mind, knowing what exactly you want to do and when it is supposed to be done, it's much easier to focus and do your work and also have free time to do the stuff that are just fun and relaxing for you. It doesn't mean that you only plan the jobs that you have to do, it just means that you know what the day is all about. You can also plan a free day, but if you have a free day planned, you know in your brain that that's what you're supposed to do and you don't feel guilty and you don't just look around the day to find free time and squeeze in some work as well. You just take the day off. Same with work days. If you plan a work day that is going to be full of productivity, maybe full of art or video making or anything, you just know that that's what you're supposed to do and you will rest some other day in the future. All in all, the less decisions you have to make during the day, the more likely you are to be productive and focused on the things that you should be doing. On the same note, I find that having focused days on specific goals lets me be more productive and helps my brain be free of other thoughts. I used to plan a little bit of everything on every single day. So I would say that I will paint for a couple of hours, I will film one video, I will edit it, I will prepare the post for Instagram, I will post it and then make it interact with some people. And all of that was creating so much noise in my brain that while I was painting, I was thinking about the post, and when I was posting, I was thinking about the next day, and it was a mess. Now, I try to split my time as much as possible on separate days. I may say that tomorrow all I'm going to do is paint, at least for 3, 4, 5 hours, and then do nothing at all, or maybe squeeze in some tasks that are not very important and not very taxing on my mind. The next day, I will say that I will be focusing on YouTube, filming videos, editing videos, or finding new topics to talk about. That way your brain is focused on one specific task and it gets the most out of your creativity and productivity and puts it on that specific task. With that in mind, I also find that mass producing content for your social media or videos and doing everything at the same time saves you a lot of time. So, for example, now I will be filming today at least 2-3 videos for YouTube. Make sure you change your t-shirts so that no one notices, but it keeps my mind focused, it lets me practice to my speech, and I don't waste another day all the time to set up the studio, set up the camera, the lights and everything and start all over again. Even just the preparation for one video is like 15 minutes or maybe half an hour if I take into consideration the makeup and all the preparation I need to start talking to the camera. So if I film 2 videos or 3 videos in the same day, I've saved like an hour of preparation in some other day. Same with my social media posts. I used to decide within the same day what I'm going to post in the afternoon, and then I would take half an hour taking photos, editing them, writing the text, the hashtags and everything. Now I sit down on Sunday or Saturday and think through the next week, what I'm going to post throughout the next week. I prepare the photos, I prepare the texts and the hashtags, and then when time comes to post, I just click one button and everything is in place. And as we talk about social media, I think that it helped me a lot as soon as I decided that it's okay to take days off social media completely and focus on the stuff I have to do. I'm pretty sure the algorithm disagrees with me because they want us to be always there, always posting, always creating content for them. So keep that in mind if you decide to do the same. But I decided that I can't care so much about the algorithm and what a machine thinks of my account. The people who care, I think, will stick whether you post a day or every other day or every week. If they like your work and what you do, they will be understanding, and that they will realize that you need time to create if you're going to post something that's worth posting. So these were my time-saving tips. They weren't very art-specific, but I do think that especially as artists, because we can't spend all our time creating content and we need to be creative and spend our time with our art, it's extremely important to take care of ourselves and our time and save as much time as possible in order to create enough and focus on our art instead of social media. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up before you go. If you'd like to see more like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I'm uploading weekly, every Wednesday. I hope to see you on the next video. Until then, be safe, be happy, and keep going for your dreams. Bye!